Sanibona bafethu uvanelo. So namhlanje ngibuyile ngama transfer news. Ama-team amaningi ayasebenza behind the scenes. Niyazi ke njoba isizini izophela nje, ama-team amaningi are looking to sign new players. Yabo. So lana nginomdlalo wamaZulu FC. Umdlalo wamaZulu FC abaningi bayamazi bafethu lo mdlali lo is a good winger. Yabo, this guy can play. Even so ngosikhathi bedlani Orlando Pirates indlela ayidlala ngakhona. Orlando Pirates ke ibimlandela isikhathi esiningi kakhulu lo mjitelo. He was linked with the Orlando Pirates the last transfer window. Izinto ayihambanga kahle. Orlando Pirates ya decide ukuthi izofuna umvashela masiphelile isizini. Yabo kuthi kuyashola kuthiwa amaZulu FC midfielder uTsebang Moremi has been heavily linked with the move to Orlando Pirates. Yabo, understand Pirates are looking to put in an offer for the winger. Yabo, ngokuzwa kwami kuthiwa ama representatives umjida ayahamba right now aya le eGoli ayohlala phansi bayokhuluma about i-signing yalo mjida lo le eMayfair. Orlando Pirates are really looking to sign a good winger. Yabo, badinga ngempela ama wingers kule season ezoqala nje, badinga ama winger azo add equality kule team Orlando Pirates. So uTsebang Moremi umjida alright ozo add equality. Yabo, ngezwe ngani ma comments ngokweni nithi ngale signing le, ngezwe ngani ngaba i-signing right noma nje ngaba umdlali ozo add ama numbers kwi squad seOrlando Pirates? Angazi, ngangitshela ama comments bafethu. Kuthiwa la iMamelodi Sundowns is not planning to take an advantage of leli windi leli lizovulwa uFIFA. Yabo, mina ngikhumbula ke iFIFA izovula iwindi la 10 days for lama team lawa azojoina iClub World Cup, yabo, to sign abadlali. Yabo, iyasho ichairman yeMamelodi Sundowns uthi no, they don't want to disrupt i-dressing room. Yabo, i-chemistry dressing room asazi. Yabo, ngezwe ngoBasadini, but ke it seems like uBasadini i-offer yakhe bazoyifaka mase iphelile leli windi leli, because remember liyavulwa iwindi vele ngabo June. Yabo, iwindi lizovulwa vele ngabo June, so singiyesa ngabo July if I'm not mistaken, but ke singesazi bafethu anything can happen Mamelodi Sundowns, but ke ithe ngezi sign badlali nje kuleli windi leli. Yabo, which is a different strategy. Yabo, because amanye ama team right now siyawabona ngempela azama ukulanda equality kuma team abo. Sayibone Wydad Casablanca, sayibone Al Ahly, they are making ama signing azoyisiza lapha masikuyodlalwa kuya iClub World Cup. But ke iSundowns iyayithemba ngempela usizokwazi ukumelana nama team ali. Yabo, because egroupini yayo kukhona ama team anje ngo Dortmund, uBorussia Dortmund, khona ama team anje ngo Flamengo. So asazi ngempela. Yabo, asazi sizozwa mase kudlalwa lapho uthi izodlala kanjani. But ke ngiyithemba iSundowns mhlawumbe izophuma ama group stages. Ngeke ngazi ukuthi bazo survive yini kuma knockout rounds. Yabo, because nginamathema amaningi lapha adlalayo. Ungangitshela wona ama comments uthi izokwenza kanjani iMamelodi Sundowns basiyodlala lapha kwiFIFA Club World Cup. Yabo, kuthiwa i-market value isi-upgrade bafethu. I-market value for abadlali aba under 21 mase nibheke nje lapha umdlali ohleli phezulu laphana o 1.6 million pounds. Mohaonkota urelebule Mfokeng mase uthi number 2 kube ubani uMohaonkota yena u800k. Yabo, 800k pounds. Mase kuthi umdlali wesithathu la ngelihle phili bafethu u450 pounds. Mase kuthi umfundo Vilakazi naye u450 pounds. Uphuso Ditsejane naye u450k pounds. Mase kuthi uWandile Duba 400k pounds. Yabo, uWandile Duba kancaka ngoba umdlali uyadlala. Yabo, mase kuba uNeo Rapo naye u350k pounds. Aseko T1, I'm really shocked about Aseko T1 because he's one of the greatest, yabo, young defenders akhona la. Yabo, ngambali kuMbokazi, but ke Aseko T1 u350k, Mbekezeni Mbokazi u300k. Yabo, maybe ama value abo azokhuphuka kahle next season mase kuthi uKuhlanelo Hlako ulegcineni u300k yena. Yabo, these are under 21 players. Yabo, ungangitshela wena ngokwakho ukuthi yipi imali ekuthusa kakhulu. Yabo, ngifuqa manje imali incane for ama team mali ko Europe. Team le ko Europe ingavele ikhipha imali nje mfethu ithi now 2 million sifuna uMfokeng, 2 million pounds sifuna uMfokeng. Yabo, lento ayingiphathi kahle because these players adlala ngempela, but mase ubheka ivalue yabo, ivalue yabo, compare ivalue yoMfokeng neBrahim Diaz uzobona into ezokushokha kakhulu. Compare ivalue yoMfokeng neAdagule lo odla eReal Madrid. Kwezinye zeindaba kuthiwa uMhangu noMtshali are set to join iRichards Bay FC. Yabo, both players have left their respective clubs. They are to abazo reunite lapha kwi-Richards Bay. Yabo menikhumbula kahle bafethu i-Richards Bay iyodlala le eBay ngisadlala le Mlazi. So i-Richards Bay bafuna ukushintsha izinto bafethu so bajaha umhango ke maningi ama-club sekawadlala la South Africa. Useyaphuma ko Celtic, useyaphuma ko Marumo Gallants, useyaphuma ko Swallows, useyaphuma ko Orlando Pirates, useyaphuma ko Bidvest. Wangitshela ama comments iclub engayibalanga. Yabo umjidi unayo quality. But ke angazi noma isakhona leyo quality leyo nje ubeyojoina iBay. iBay right now inenkinga zayo iBay angifuqa mamanga but they survived uthi bangene ku top 8. Right now baku top 8 bawedlala iMTN 8. But ukujaha umhango mfethu angazi ngempela wangitshela ama comments about le decision ethathwe iBay. uJabu Matsiyo useshiyile iSuperSport United after 9 years. Yabo SuperSport United Academy graduate useshiyile club. Yabo wajoina esana 13. Imagine wajoina esana 13 but ke idecide ukumchitha iSuperSport United. Yabo iStellenbosch confirmile ukuthi labadlali labo bawu2 sebebanike ama professional contracts. Yabo uFayaz Abrahams noVuyo Andries. Yabo both signed their professional contracts. Stelis bafethu siyadlala ngempela and indlela abapromoter ngakhona abadlali babo abadlala le yabo on the DDC side kuyangijabulisa kakhulu because ne side labo le DDC liyadlala. Yabo I saw which Kaizer Chiefs can do izinto ezifana njenge Stelis because Stelis liya recognize italent layo elikwi DDC mase liya promote same as Orlando Pirates. Yabo amathimba amaningi awavamisile ukuyenza leyo nto because mase ubheka italent eliningi le Kaizer Chiefs idlala phezantsi alitholi professional contract mase iyafitha yas Galaxy ibasayina lawo badlali. Yabo iTS Galaxy kuyayidalela kuma young players aqhuma ku Kaizer Chiefs noma young players aqhuma ku Pirates because they fail to recognize italent. I don't know why. Kwezinye izindaba I'm sure senizwile lezi bafethu uGeorge Motlow is set to leave Kaizer Chiefs with his contract expiring at the end of June. Yabo he played 40 games in his 3 seasons as Kaizer Chiefs and won 1 Nedbank Cup. Yabo I'm really sad about indaba lomjidi. Yabo angifuqa mang because since after with Kaizer Chiefs ngiqale ukumrecognize kule season. I don't want to lie. Maybe mhlawumbe wena khona ama games recognize kuona angazi kakhulu ngalomjidi but mina ngiqala ukumrecognize kule season le ukuthi hayibo lo mdlali kuthiwa uGeorge Motlow. I didn't know they signed this guy 3 seasons ago. Yabo but ke icontract yakhe izophela at the end of June uyashiya nje. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu I'm sure senizwile funa khona iRichards Bay iconfirmile ukuthi isikhuphulile icontract yabadlali babo. Yabo uyanela Mbuthuma, uLindo Kuhle Zikhali, uThulani Gumede, uWandile Ngema noThabisa Ndilu. Yabo noNhlonolelo Bomelo. Yabo have all of them have signed their 5-year contracts. Menikhumbula kahle ke Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates bayijaha isigning yanela Mbuthuma. So mebefuna ukumsayina umjida they have to pay imali yangempela because i5-year contract akusinto okudlala. Yabo 5-year contracts akusiyonto okudlala so imali ozoyikhokha kumele kube imali yangempela. I don't know. Yabo angazi noma istriker is right in lesi to play for iKaizer or Orlando Pirates. But ke umjida usayinile phansi ukuthi uzohlala another 5 years kwi Richards Bay FC.